Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to EA English Production. This is me, Imran Ali Rai. I want to introduce you another thing that is filled up with hard working. A lot of artist work has been done for you, for all of you, the one who want to learn advanced English language. So something that is inside my pocket, I want to unpocket it for you. It is enough thing to learn. There are something, the lessons, the practices and the words that we use in article that we execute to impress someone while we are speaking English language. So there we have some words. If I want to say guess, so instead of using guess, I could use the word that is hypothesis, or something like a theory or thesis or conjecture, supposition. Something that I have like substitute, that is called the badla, or exchange something, replacement, or acting or to place something to another. Disrupt, like to muddle. Khalal ana, that something makes you muddle, disarranges, or make something like that. There are a lot of things inside it that is filled up with the words that you really don't know about those words. For example, arbitrary, berate, adequate, allocate, perceive, accumulate, meticulous, obnoxious, wobble, bungle, arduous, fiasco, fetch, strict, summarizing, contrasting, or something like that. So this book is really a variety, or something like we say it's unique than the other books. The reason is that a lot of work has been done in it. There are a lot of features inside it, the word with the Urdu meaning, and then there are some similars, and sometimes there is intonym also. And when you're going to write something in English, like an essay or an article, you can replace such words through this booklet. This is a pocket dictionary. It's not a dictionary. These are the strong English words that may fit into your pocket sometime when you're gonna sleep over your bed, or you're feeling free, you're in a railway station or waiting for a bus or something like that. You can open this book and keep reading and keep learning, keep remembering. These words are kind of important for you if you're going to have CSS examination, if you're appearing in TOEFL exams, or any kind of interview where you want to impress the interviewer. Then you can hold this book in your hand. This book has taken a lot of nights and days of me. I am Imran Ali Rai. I have put a lot of efforts over here to make it accurate, because sometimes we don't find a good meaning in English to Urdu, sometimes because of the language disruption. So integrally, crude, implode, decipher, irony, or lag, partial, involve. These are more than 1000 words inside it. This booklet is a pocket book. It's my favorite one. I just created the book for myself, for my pocket to adjust in, to learn more and more words, because I want to write some articles over the website. I want to work as a freelancer. I am a freelancer, or I want to write an article for someone. So I need this book. Or if I'm gonna read a newspaper, I really don't know the Urdu meanings of such words. So if you remember this book, you will have no worry at all. So hopefully this presentation of the book will be enough for you. If you're eager to buy, you can contact me over the given number. You can buy this book easily over here. So I'm sure such book couldn't be given to you through any market or somewhere. You cannot find such book with a perfection, with a Urdu meaning that is also giving you the translation of the word that you want to remember. Everyone has wish and desire to speak English. Sometimes when they keep learning, and after learning they want to impress it or enhance the English vocab, they can easily be adjusted. They need this book, and I'm sure, I guarantee you, you cannot find this book from the bazaar or anywhere. You cannot find this helping pocket book or in this size, and it is in a not much expensive value. Hopefully you will get this in better price, and only you can buy over here the given number. So another thing that I have already presented you, the tenses book, that is varied, and it has been launched. After that, it has been sold in much quantity. Now this book is in your hand, those who want to learn advanced English speaking. Hopefully this presentation will be enough, and keep urging you to buy this book and just try to afford this book. Have a great time. Thank you very much for being with EA English Production.